Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a debit card on Apple Pay. First, locate and open the wallet application on your iPhone. Once inside, you will see a plus sign icon in the upper right-hand corner. Tap this to begin adding a new payment method. Then, select the option to add a debit card. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for secure, contactless payments in just a few moments. Next, you will need to provide your debit card details. You can typically do this by positioning your physical card within the camera frame on your iPhone, allowing it to automatically capture the card number. If scanning isn't working, you can always choose to manually enter the 16-digit card number yourself. Remember to also input the card's expiration date and the 3-digit security code found on the back. After entering your card information, you will be prompted to review and accept your bank's terms and conditions for using the card with Apple Pay. Following this, you will need to verify your card. Your bank will offer several verification methods, such as sending a one-time code via text message to your registered phone number or an email to your linked address. Simply choose your preferred method and enter the code received. Congratulations! Your debit card is now fully set up and ready to use with Apple Pay. When making a purchase, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Look for the Apple Pay logo or the universal contactless payment symbol at checkout. Enjoy the convenience and security of making payments with just a tap of your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.